Actually, this is the airdrop I'm talking about. People know it already, but they don't know that you can make more from here for free. This counts down. After counting down, you will see a button here and click on claim. So as I'm doing the video, it will come. And this one, they've made themselves as an official airdrop app for cryptocurrency space. So any legit airdrop that is based on Core 1 blockchain, which is mineable, will be launched here, so that early participants will get free of their tokens. And we all remember how when Quay was launched on OKS as as $5. So in case you were having like 5,000 core, you were the early miners, early contributors of the mining. Right now, this the OES, Open Exchange Protocol. This is the currently the official one that we are all expecting to make from there. I have 198.6 coins now, and it's just the beginning. If they launch it at maybe $2 self, I didn't pay any money for it, I'll make a lot of money. Okay, so this one is for the future. And currently, this is my core 1 balance. This one is already listed. So as you are operating the system, then you are also getting the call. So if you see right now, it has countdown. I click on claim. I can leave it for the next day. I can come and click on claim. I'll get more here and click on claim. But for a purpose, I want you to see how it works. So I click on claim over here, and it is gone. It has gone to add to what I have already. Okay. So if you want to refer, go to increase income and come to copy URL, copied. Then you can send to your downlines for them to register. As they register, you get more points. So if you come to the giveaway over here, you see the written proof of work. They give away the core tokens for all those who recruit. If you recruit, you get a point here. You get available point to vote. So let's say one person, you get 100 votes after the person has been in this for a week. So you come and just divide it, maybe 35, 30, or 35, 35, 30. So when they vote, you get something. So if you see lucky list people over here, they are making what they are making. And if you come to mine, you see what I'm making. Sometimes I make one core or $1, 1.17 coin. It's equal to one. So if I have more people, I'll make more. Okay, and some people are making 88. If you look at their email, they are making $88. Okay, some people are also making $888 every day by just recruiting. So the main purpose is, if you want to make more from this opportunity, just recruit. So I'm going to drop my link for you to also benefit from this. If you are not into it, if you're already in it, take advantage and recruit and make more. 100% free. Thank you.